Hi children, in this video we are going to cover the topics bar graph and 9.2. Exercise 9.2. Number of people in various age groups in a town is given below. That is given in the tabular column. First one age group, that is in years, and number of persons. 1 to 15 age groups having 2.5 lakh persons, and 16 to 30 age group having 2 lakh persons. 31 to 45 age group having 1 lakh 70,000 persons, and 46 to 60 age group having 1 lakh 20,000 persons, and 61 to 75 age group having 90,000 persons, and 76 and above having 50,000. Draw a bar graph to show the above information. Hint: take 1 unit equal to 25,000. Take a bar graph sheet. Now we are going to construct a bar graph. So draw x-axis, draw y-axis. Both are intersecting at point 0. Now we are going to give the title number of people in various age group in a town. Next we are going to write scale. Am I right? Yes, it is question itself that is given. On y-axis 1 unit equal to 25,000. Now write x-axis label, that is age group in years. Then write y-axis label, that is number of persons in thousand. Now we are going to write scale on y-axis, that is 25,000, 50,000, 75,000, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 25,000, 1 lakh 50,000, 1 lakh 75,000, 2 lakh, 2 lakh 25,000, 2 lakh 50,000. So first that is given age group 1 to 15, that is 2.5 lakhs. So draw a rectangular bar up to 2.5 lakh. Then that is age group 16 to 30, that is given 2 lakh. So draw a rectangular bar up to 2 lakh. Yes, that is 2 lakh. Then age group 31 to 45, that is given 1 lakh 70,000. So where is it? Yes, that is given. So draw up to, that is 1 lakh 70,000. Then 46 to 60 age group having 1 lakh 20,000, isn't it? So draw a rectangular bar up to 1.20 lakh, or else 1 lakh 20,000. Then 61 to 75 age group having 90,000. So draw a rectangular bar up to 90,000. Then 76 and above having 50,000. So draw a rectangular bar up to 50,000. Read the given graph and answer the following questions. The scale is given on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 students, and x-axis label is days of week, and y-axis label is number of students. That is given based on week, that is number of students. Am I right? Yes, Monday it is 25 students, Tuesday 20 students, and Wednesday 30 students, Thursday we got 27 students, and Friday we have 15 students, Saturday we have 10 students. So remember this paragraph. Then next we are going to answer the following questions. On which day of the week was the attendance maximum? Look at this picture, then answer, that is attendance was maximum on Wednesday. What does the graph show? Give the title. Yes, the number of students present on different days in a week. Then third question, on which day was the attendance minimum? Look at that picture. Is minimum, that is attendance was minimum on Saturday, that is 10. Am I right? Yes. Fourth question, on which day was the attendance same? Look at that picture. Is there same? No. No days was not attendance same. Then fifth one, what was the attendance on Wednesday? That is 30 students were present on Wednesday. Read the given graph and answer the following questions. So look at this paragraph that is given years and production of cement. First one, in which year the production of cement was maximum? So look at that paragraph. Yes, the production of cement was maximum in 2004. In which year was the production minimum? Now look at this paragraph, which is very less. Yes, that is the production was minimum in 2000. And third one, what is the difference in the production in the year 2003 and 2002? So look at this paragraph and compare these two and find what is the difference. Difference means we are going to subtract them, right? Yes. The difference in the production in year 2003 and 2002 is 40 lakhs. That is 2003, that is we got 140 lakh, and 2002 we got 100 lakh. Am I right? Yes, when you subtract, we'll get 40 lakh tons. Read the given graph and answer the following questions. That is given mode of transport used by the students. That is cycle, school bus, walking and car. Am I right? Yes. So look at this paragraph. Then we are going to answer the following questions. How many students walking to school? 10 students walking to school. Which mode of transport is used by most of the students? That is, school bus is used by most of the students. Then how many students do not travel by school bus? That is, 20 students do not travel by school bus. Read the given graph and answer the following questions. The title is given, the weekly sale of pencil boxes in a stationery shop. Look at this paragraph that is given on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So now we are going to answer the following questions. First one, on which day were the maximum pencil boxes sold? The maximum pencil boxes sold on Friday. If the shopkeeper decides to close his shop for one more day each week, selection of which day would lead to minimum loss of sale and maximum loss of sale. Minimum loss of sale on Monday and Saturday, and maximum loss of sale Friday. On which day were the least number of pencil boxes sold? The least number of pencil boxes sold on Monday and Saturday. Which 2 days were equal number of pencil boxes sold? That is, the equal number of pencil boxes sold on Monday and Saturday. Thank you.